Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 53 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. Today's Shuriken skill is to create a multi-direction speech bubble in Illustrator, and I've got 3 examples of that speech bubble just here. And all I need to do to change the direction of a new bubble is simply to double click on the item and then just rotate that around like so, and hey presto, it's in a new direction. So how do we build that? Well, I'll show you. If I just create a brand new document here. So of course, first of all, we need to create the ellipse for our bubble. So I'm just going to draw one there like so. I'm just tapping D there to set it to the default, not that that matters. And then create the pointer, and the best thing for that is probably going to be the pen tool. So tap P on your keyboard for the pen tool, draw one point, come across and draw another. Okay, then come down like so, as deep as you want the pointer to be, and click, and then back up to the top to close out that path. Then we need to convert that to a symbol. Now, if you've got F keys on your keyboard, you can tap F8 to do that. Otherwise, open the symbols panel and click down at the bottom to create a new symbol. And in the dialog, give it whatever name you want to call it. New symbol is fine for this for me. Leave it as a dynamic symbol and set the registration point to the top center. Okay, that bit's important, and I'll show you why in just a second. When I hit OK, that's now an instance of that symbol, but it will automatically transform around the top middle like so. And you can see how very quickly that becomes a flexible pointer. But of course it doesn't look right at the moment, so what we're going to do is select both things and group them. Okay, so Command G or Control G. Then we're going to add a new fill. Okay, so hold down Command or Control and tap slash to get the new fill. And then in our appearance panel, we can then model this out. So what we're going to do is change this. I'm going to change it to a very, very light gray here, although really it could be absolutely any color. It will draw the fill on top of that. If you want to, you can also change the stroke. So I'm going to add quite a heavy stroke here. I actually want it to be 2 points, but I'm going to change it to 4 like so, and then drag that down underneath the group's contents. And now you can see that you've got 2 points poking out from around the side there. In fact, you know, I might be a bit more generous than that. I think I'll go for something much, much heavier. So there you go. Your pointer and your bubble are now made. To access the flexible part of them, all you need to do is double click to go into isolation mode, then click on your pointer and rotate that around to wherever you want to be. And if you need to make the bubble shallower or deeper, just hold down the Alt or Option key and change the size of the bubble like so. And there you go. That's your new Shuriken skill to practice. And I'll see you next time. See ya.